Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel known as Digital Durgesh, and my name is Durgesh. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a campaign in Facebook with the help of Ads Manager. First you have to create a page like this. You see this? This is my page. ये मेरे पेज है Digital Durgesh के नाम से, and I give the services like SEO, SMO, SMM, website designing. These are all my service. So what do you have to do? आपको FB Manager टाइप करना है in Google. Then you have to make a click on this. When you make a click on this, you see this, I add my account into FB Business Manager. Click on this. Then you have to click on this. You come to dashboard like this. See, it's a campaign creator. So what you have to do? You have to go on Ads Manager, create. For suppose if I want to create a campaign which is related to traffic, click on continue. See, we have to give this campaign a name. For suppose I have to give this a name called traffic for website. जो भी आपको देना चाहते हैं, जो भी पर्पस हो for the traffic, for to generate traffic for your website. In auction there is only option, so you have to select only this. Objective is traffic. Okay, this is called A/B testing. I tell you this thing about A/B testing later, but not now. It's called budget optimization. When you make a click on this, you on this. See, in campaign budget you see a daily budget. In this daily budget mean if you want to run a campaign and you're spending 200 rupees, Google will run your ads as a daily budget and exhaust your 200 rupees of per day. If you want to create an ad for lifetime and you are filling amount of 5,000 for if you want to schedule ad in lifetime budget, schedule option given by the Facebook ads. Click on next. Then you have to give this name, whatever you want to give. Suppose I give traffic for my website. If you want traffic for your app, you can choose from all these three, but I want to select this because my priority is website traffic. Don't select this. I tell you about dynamic creative later, but not now. So what you have to do, you have to schedule ads. Schedule means कब से कब तक आपको रन करना है. You have to select. For suppose I have to run my ad from 23 September 2020 till 31 September 2020 or 31 October 2020. See, this is कुछ शो कर रहा है यहाँ पर. You have to choose to run what times a day. Okay, what times a day you have. There is option given by Facebook what time you have to show your ads. For suppose you have to show Monday 12 a.m. to 3 a.m., 6 a.m. or 9 a.m. See, this is the option. You can select this. you can select this like this. See, if you want to run your ads from 12 a.m. to 3 p.m. it's on you whether you have to run or not. Okay, so I deselect Sunday. Like this. If I want to run my ads only on Tuesday and Monday, so I deselect this like this. You understand this? It's a very basic thing. It's a common sense. Okay, we move further. Then we have to select audience. Audience means उन लोगों को एड्स दिखाना जो लोग फेसबुक में ऑलरेडी यूज कर रहे हैं फेसबुक. फॉर एग्जांपल, see, this is my, I use my Facebook pixel, so these all are my previous audience which I set in my previous campaign. But if you want to select a location, see, I select a new location. If you want to select a specific location, you have to go browse this country, Asia, India. See this, India. If you want to show your ads only on Delhi, you can type Delhi. See, the potential audience of Delhi is more than, I think, 18 lakh. It's 1 lakh 1 crore 80,000 people. It's the perfect audience, the target audience defined by Facebook ads. See, 1 crore 80 lakh people. Understand this? Then you have to select age, which age you want to show. For example, if you want to show to 16 age till 64. See this, gender. If you want to show to men, if you want to show to women, but I tell you, I'm sorry, I prefer you to choose all because all the gender is using Facebook. See demographics. This is called detailed targeting. In detailed targeting, you see that interest, demographic, behavior. What is interest, demographic, behavior? I tell you. See, demographics means on the basis of age, sex, salary and location. फेसबुक ये सब ऑप्शन देता है कि आप इन सब लोगों को इन सब डेमोग्राफिक्स में टारगेट कर सकते हैं. फॉर सपोज यू वांट टू टारगेट एजुकेशन पीपल, educational level people who are associated to degree college, who are related to college degree, doctorate degree, high college degree. For suppose if any person is doing college and I have to target that person, so I select this. See, the figure of that person is 4,60,000. Google show the figure here. Oh sorry, Facebook show the figure here. Facebook ads. You understand this? Let's cancel this. We see in interest. What is interest? Interest means people who show their interest on a particular thing. Means if they are interested on games. For suppose any person is interested on action games, board games. Oh sorry. See, any person is interested in board games, browser games, card games. Facebook target these people and show my ads to these people. Let's move forward. And last targeting is called behavior. Behavior means उन लोगों को Facebook एड्स दिखाएगा जो ऑलरेडी उस सब्जेक्ट में बिहेव कर चुके हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, एक क्लोज का ऐड है, वो लोगों ने क्लोज के ऊपर रिएक्शन दे चुके हैं. फॉर सपोज देयर इज एड which is run by some particular person. If they suppose they run an ad called buy this उन्हीं लोगों को फेसबुक एड्स दिखाएगा जो ऑलरेडी अपना इंटरेस्ट शो कर चुके हैं, बिहेवियर दिखा चुके हैं. फॉर सपोज इफ some of the particular person run an ad which is related to digital activity, and the people who already show their interest, already show their behavior on that particular thing, और लोगों को फेसबुक एड्स दिखाएगा. See this, Facebook payments ads. For example, if you want to show politics in the US, you have to select this. You can select this. This is called behavior. Okay, so let's move further. This is not necessary for campaign setting, ad setting. Next, this is a final step. You can give an ad name. I give this traffic for website, traffic for, let's say traffic, we only use traffic. And see, you have to say select the page here. For suppose if I have a page of digital marketing, so I select this. If you have an Instagram page, you have to connect this page with Facebook Ads Manager, and then your account, Instagram account, show like this. See, this is a format of ad set. And ad creative, what you have to do, you have to select something to show your ads. See, if I want to see, this is a create slideshow, but we are not going to select this. Let's cancel this. We have to add media. Okay, for suppose I want to let's select this. If you select this, see, this is a preview of the ad. Then primary text. If you are showing an ad, you have to give primary text of that. For suppose this is a Yuvo app. Okay, so what you have to do, if you want people to download this app, you have to use the attractive lines which make the people to download this, like best app for short video. See, it's coming here. And you can also use hashtag of your app, #1 India app. See, you see like this, it's primary heading text coming on this text. Then what you have to do, you have to give headlines, best short video app. See like this, see, it's coming here. And then you can also give a description here what this app is all about. For suppose if you are making a comedy video, you can use one of the most best app for making comedy videos. You can add it here. Then at last you have to give a website URL where you want to take a person from this ad into your website. For see how you have to use this, I tell you. This is my website. And I use this and I use this URL here on this section. See the website link. If you want to show a display link here, you can also give a link. This is called your parameters, but this thing is not for beginners. This is called call to action. But call to action means if you want to take a user from one place to another, it's called call to action. See if but I'm taking my user from FB ads to my website, so I use learn more. Then you have to publish this like this. When you publish this, your ad will be created by Google Ads. Okay, see this. If you want your ad to run, you can also use a payment method by going to billing section and add your credit card over there and amount also. So this is a way to create a campaign, traffic generating campaign for your website. If you think that this information is really useful for you, then subscribe my channel, like the video and share it. Thank you my friends. Thank you very much.